lumang-luma. So black. Oh, 1 centavo coin. So you see this design is that man, a man with the anvil, the hammer and the anvil near him. And then of course there is the Mayon volcano as well. So this is also a design made by our artist Melissa Figueroa. Okay, ayan na po. Oh. That's the seal of the United States of America. You have that is a 1944. This is a 1944 1 centavo coin. You see. So that's the man with the hammer and the anvil, but it is sitting down. Okay, sitting down lang siya. Here we go. Baliktad pala, no? Okay, so it's different from the others that we have today. Yung ito, ganito pala sila. You have to turn it upside down for the head and the tail. So, ito, United States of America, because we were under the United States of America. This was during the Commonwealth. Ito po actually is wartime. My goodness, 1944 was still during the Japanese-American War. Japanese-American War pa pala ito. May grabe, oh. Itim-itim niya, pero it's nice. It shows how time has actually marked this particular coin. Who knows na ano ito? They said that the coins were actually placed under the waters of Manila Bay. Oh, yeah, why? Because the Japanese were going to get all of their coins, especially the copper coins, and turn them into bullets. Kaya ito, yes, these were minted actually in the United States. Is there a mint mark here? I can't see any. Wala po akong nakikitang mint mark dito. Tingnan natin. Let's look closer. Basta, my knowledge is this were the coins minted in the United States of America, which MacArthur and his company brought after the war, na almost towards the end of the war. So 1944, United States of America. That's the seal, no? So this portion here is not so clear, but anyway, okay lang. Ito yata is the mint mark, this one. Oh, kung sa Denver. Kung sa Denver ba yan, it was minted in the Denver. Kasi in the United States, we have 2-3 mints actually. San Francisco pa eh. Philadelphia usually does not have any mint mark. Why? Because it was the very first. But later on, it has mint mark. They also minted coins with the P mint mark. So, is that a D? So, Denver. Or is that an S? San Francisco. Tingin nga, I can't see with my two little eyes. Okay, so mag-ano tayo ng that one. Parang S, no? Can you see the S? If it's an S, it's a San Francisco mint. It was minted in the San Francisco mint. Alright, so ayan po. This is only one. I have several here. I got several. So this is another one. This is my oldest coin, which is 1910. Okay, ito pa. Meron pa ako dyan. Baliktad lang, no? And then, sige lang. Anyway, ayan silang lahat. Ito naman, 5 centimo. Parang silver. Is that a nickel brass? Okay, hindi na siya copper coin. So, anyway, ayan, dami ko, no? Yaman-yaman ko na. Kasi you know that each one of this coin is actually worth something. May value din naman po eh, no? May value. Kaya, let's try and hunt for coins. Ito, 1964, which are quarter. Okay. 25 centavo coin. 25 centavos, English version. This is the design still of Melissa Figueroa, the one from Iloilo, who happened to go to, ayan na, Mayon volcano in the Bicol region, Ayan, daughter niya daw po ito na si Blanca. Okay, ayan po. So, 1964 to 19... Actually, these coins were minted from 1903 up to 1966 and it was in circulation during those times. So, 1966 si Filipinas ito Filipinas. Ang back niya, ang dumi it's a bit dirty because I don't know where these were taken and we are not supposed to clean the coins. So, just leave them as they are. Who knows, these were actually buried under the houses of the people. Kasi usually, di ba, when we build homes, ganyan talaga sa, how do you call that? Yung cornerstone, meron po mga coins talaga nilalagay dyan. So, maybe, ito po yung nahukay underneath, no? Grabe. So, underneath the pillars of the home sa cornerstone niya. Ito 5 centimo. Pero ito, iba ang kulay niya. If you will compare the color of this and this and this one is really different. This is 1963. Look at that. It's a coin when I was born, 1963. It is still a Milicia Figueroa coin. And imagine, the coins of Milicio Figueroa actually lasted for 60 years. Parang si Juan Ponce Enrile who served the country for 60 years, no? Parang ganun po. Grabe ang kanilang longevity. Ayan po. Oh, 'di ba? Ang tunog. I'll give you a sample of how it sounds. Ang sound niya kasi ibang-iba ang sound niya. Ito. Oh. Ayoko lang mahulog siya eh. Can you hear? Iba na. Iba yung tunog. I don't know how to balance it between my... yun na. Nahulog na tuloy. So, yun po ang tunog niya. I thought these were silver coins. Pero hindi naman pala silver coins siya. Mga brass. Ano lang naman sila. So, 25 centavos. And the one I showed you in my last episode was actually a 50 centavo coin. Bigger. It's bigger, but the design is not very clear. Ito, much better. Ayan po. Kasi clearer yung the woman here, no? Okay, diba? Parang the woman is working whereas the man is sitting down. Ano ba yan? Parang lumalabas, may mga lumalabas na issue eh. So, anyways, ganyan po talaga. 1962, 1964. Ito, at meron ako 1963. So, that is how nice this coin collection is. So, ayan. Dito lang muna po. Hanggang dito lang muna. So, ito. Yung mga Milicio Figueroa coins. At ang pinakaluma ko po, I'll show you. It's a 1910. Tingnan nyo naman. Sobrang, you cannot clearly see anymore the US. Pero legit siya, guys. Diba? What do you think? 1910. 1910. And I tried to check. Meron talaga. They minted coins in that particular year. Nakita ko, nag-research ako konti, ganyan. Grabe, parang siya sa dugo, no? Malay mo, oo. Grabe, madugo naman talaga yung especially 1941, 1942. Nung si MacArthur returned